people. So I took a little break and I was watching some YouTube videos, and now I'm back with my 23rd video. People, it's like 40 more videos and I would have reached the 365 mark. 365. Why 365? Because 365 denotes the number of days in a year, and like I've said in my previous video also, as of last year was a very somewhat difficult, like it was a very healing year for me. So anyway, one whole year of my life I just sat and researched on different ways to to probably, like, I'm very interested in earning passive income because it's my life's ambition to be able to adopt a little girl. And you know I mean, agreed that will be a bit of, like, I would have to be a single parent, but that's fine, as long as one little girl gets a home. And because, did you know this, that in India every 6 minutes one child goes missing, like missing in terms of every 6 minutes there's a new little child who's hopped onto some train in India, and they've escaped from their little home where they were being, like the domestic violence or something like that. So every 6 minutes, yeah. So in a day, how many children go homeless? Yeah, just if you do the calculation. So if I were to adopt, even if I can adopt a 5-year-old, 6-year-old, it would be fine. But of course, I'd like to adopt a little baby. But anyway, everything else is pointless. Like, I would want to first earn enough so that then I can devote my time full time to my child, to the little girl I adopt, and then YouTube and my ebooks will get me a passive income. So that's what I've revealed, my life's ambition in this particular video. So that's what. So now I have 39 videos more to go to reach that 365 mark, and I plan to do like a marathon session, and why not? So please encourage me in this effort, because hopefully then someday some little girl will get a home. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.